everybody, I'm Amy. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today we are unbagging an Ipsy Black Friday mystery bag. Sorry, cat got my tongue for a minute. Before we get into that, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our little family, because we'd sure love to have you. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are notified of all my upcoming videos. And if you wouldn't mind, hit that like button, because you wouldn't be here if you didn't love unboxings or unbaggings or haul videos or, well, all that fun stuff. But yeah, it helps me out. So, alright. So Ipsy had Black Friday mystery bags, and they were $14. And so I decided, what the heck, I'm gonna go ahead and pick one up and see what this is all about. So you want to see what's in this? Alright, let's get into it. So for those of you who don't know, Ipsy is well, $12 a month now, and you get 5 travel to deluxe and the occasional full-size product, and a bag. So let's see what's in this mystery bag. And they also have a Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. And then they also have Ipsy Ultimate, which is $50 a month, and which this will be my last month probably getting Ipsy Ultimate. And you get 8 full-size products and 4 travel or deluxe size products. Alright, so this is what the bag looks like for our mystery bag. Very, very cute. And then it has our little tag here with the Ipsy on it. But it's a very, very cute bag. It's just raised just a little, not very much, but very, very adorable, and very pretty bag. So let's see what we got in here. Alright, so the first thing I am pulling out is from it's from Glow for a Cause, and it is Love Flirt. Sorry. And that is what it looks like. And it is just a little chapstick. I don't think there is a card in here. Yep, there is no card in here telling us anything about it. It is just a bag full of stuff. So we have a little tinted little like lip balm. I'm assuming it's tinted. So alright, so the next thing I am pulling out is from Suva Beauty, and it is an eyeshadow, and it is in the shade Turmeric. And did something leak? I hope not. Let's see if I can even get this open. There we go. Oh. And that is what it looks like. And that is a very, very pretty gold color. Very, very pretty shimmery gold. And I'm not going to swatch it because I do not tend to reach for single shadows. So I will be putting this away, or not away, but aside for a future giveaway. Alright, and the next thing I am pulling out is from Aptos, and it is from Aptos Skincare. It's a balancing mask, and that is what it looks like. Alright, and it is for, it's got Gloria, I think it says. I can't quite read it, but, and green tea, and it's for oily and combination skin. But that is what it looks like. So, and that'll probably be set aside for a future giveaway also. And then the next thing I am pulling out is from Thrive Cosmetics, and it is the Beyond Lash Extensions Mascara, and I think this is the exact same one that I have already. This is what it looks like. Let me check. Yeah. Yeah. So here's mine right here, so I can show you what the wand looks like. That is what the wand looks like. So, okay. So, this will also be set aside for a future giveaway. And the next thing I am pulling out is from Pixi by Petra, and it is a blush in Peach Parfait, and let's see here. That is what it looks like. And that is really pretty. That's pretty. That's pretty. So, okay, so we have a blush. And the last thing in the bag is a highlighter from Oprah, and it is in this little poppy stuff, like sealed really good. There we go. There we go. Okay. Alright. Got it. Alright, so it's an Oprah highlighter. And it is the Rodeo Drive. And this one I do not have, believe it or not. So that is what it looks like. And ooh, that is pretty. That is pretty. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, so let's recap everything we got in our Ipsy mystery bag. We got a highlighter. We got a blush. We got a lip balm. And an eyeshadow, which is going in a future giveaway. A mask, which is going in a future giveaway. And a mascara, which is going in a future giveaway. That is everything for this Ipsy mystery bag. Alright, so I thought that was a pretty good mystery bag, actually. Half for me, half for you. So, what do you guys think? Did any of you get the Ipsy mystery bag for Black Friday? And if so, what were the products in your mystery bag? Did we get the same stuff, or did we get different stuff? Or did I have stuff in mine that you wish you would have got? Yeah, tell me all about it down below in the comments. I want to know. I'm nosy like that. So that is it for this video. Yeah, please subscribe and join our little family, because I know I would sure love for you to be here and be a part of it. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are notified of all my upcoming videos. I'd hate for you to miss any of the good times we have. And don't forget to hit that like button, or that dislike button. And follow me on social media. All my information is down below in the description box. And yeah, until next time, I love ya, and you guys are awesome.